that's the time. Costco open, guys. Now let's go in there. Let's go explore what Costco is all about, guys. They also have a petrol station here, which I will show you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Well, it's Boxing Day yesterday, wasn't open, but New Year Day, you can see. These are the time here. In Costco, they have DJI Osmo 3. They also have iPhone 17, and then they also have like almost everything. Can you imagine getting your iPhone 17 from here? They have the iPhone headsets, and then on this side, right, guys, they also have PlayStation, you know, they have GoPro. Then on the other side, they have a Panasonic, a drone, you know, like a new drone that I haven't seen before. Amazing, right? Amazing. Well, guys, I want to take time and share this store with you. I'm going to walk around, put a little bit of music in the background. Yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to find something. Wow. How much is it? Yeah, there. Wow. About it? Wow. Well guys, welcome to Costco Bristol Avon. Today I'm just going to show you guys what they have in the store. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also share this video. I can see here they have a neroli candle. Smell really good. Oh my god, it's going for $21.58 because the price here doesn't include VAT, so you need to make sure you look at the bottom. Some of the items is what you see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. While we're here, I saw a very posh pot holder, very nice. You know, when you cook a lot, especially most of the stuff are hot, you know, $14.38. You know, I believe that's what you get for that price, you know. But let's continue. Now there's a lot of pillows here, comfy pillow, hotel grand pillows, and they're going for $21.58. There's more here. There's more towels, like hotels kind of towels, and this one is going for $10.78. I'm giving you the prices with the VAT included. And if you look here, these are all the snuggly ones. Very snuggled in it. I also noticed they have like a towels here, like rugs, almost everything you're looking for, you find it here. It's very, very big.
You ever had these, Mum? It's alright if you're going through a party and you need something to taste. They keep to the 6.
Wow.
You want them for New Year?
Get one. Like. Yeah. Pepperoni. That's good.
No, I like it on a sandwich. We do it. I just do it with meat with a bit of mayo. You don't eat it, do you? It's very good.
Yeah. No, I don't think they do. Oh, sorry. Alright, so guys, this part of the shop, they have clothing here, like shirts, jumpers, underwear. It's quite a massive shop, you know. So if you're an accountant or in a health services, you can definitely register online, and then you pick your card here, then you can start shopping. And I believe you can bring a family member here once you present your card at checkout. There you go. Well guys, we're going to check out now. Yeah, if you did enjoy this Costco shopping today, consider liking this video. And there's also Indomie. There's like things that you won't find in normal shops. You get them here. Like, look at this Indomie. There's no VAT on this one. And look, there's 40 of them in there. Amazing. Well, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. When you finish, if you want to check your tire pressure or replace your tire, you can come here. And here, this is where you pick your card. Yeah, so thank you so much. Make sure you like this video. And if there's something missing in this video, please drop us a comment. You can scan here and register. Let me put a scanner here for you.
Okay.